Hey, peep this. A 10-year coding veteran just forgot how to loop through an array in Python. That's right, a 10-year deep into the game and still typing Python for loop examples like it's 2009. Well, witnesses report sweaty palms, panic control T spamming, and at least one desperate dive into a Reddit thread where the top answer is just use JavaScript instead. But hey, let's be real. If you ever looked at your own code and thought, hey, there's no way I'm smart enough to have written this must have been a glitch in the matrix, then hey, welcome. You're now a card-carrying member of the Imposter Syndrome Club. Population? Every single developer alive. The daily secret? Nobody has their act together. Those senior engineers who sound like they are building rocket ships, half their day is spent all tabbing into Stack Overflow while nodding like sages on Zoom calls. I've seen gurus who can spin up Kubernetes clusters in your sleep but can't remember the get command to rename a branch without summoning the devil.
Don't do it to me. I beg you. No.
Where are you going?
Wait, what? Flexbox? Forget it. Flexbox is the devil's Rubik's Cube and it always wins. Meanwhile, some kid who just finished a Udemy course is out here launching a revolutionary blockchain startup. That's just an overpriced to-do list. Oh, the stats? They don't lie. About 60% of devs openly admit they feel like frauds. And the other 40? Either pathological liars or currently face down on their keyboards crying over merge conflicts. Even let's look at Linus Torvalds, the guy who birthed Linux. Even this guy confessed to wondering what the hell he's doing. So if the godfather of open source has doubts, you're absolutely allowed to scream into the void about your rogue semicolon. Here's the kicker. Tech moves faster than your internet when you forget to plug in the Ethernet cable. You finally learn React hooks and suddenly boom, React releases this crazy new state manager that makes all the work that you suffered to study go obsolete. Languages evolve, frameworks mutate, and every week there's a new must learn tool some influencer swears will replace the thing you just barely understood just yesterday.
You can't keep getting away with it!
Then this is the point where you be wondering, what's the real difference between a junior or a senior dev? Well, seniors don't know more, they just Google faster and lie better. That lead architect managing microservices, I guarantee they've got like 5 Stack Overflow tabs open, silently praying that one copy and paste fix doesn't crash production. If you can break your app, curse at it, and then duct tape it back together using forum answers from 2013, you're not an imposter, you're a professional. So when that little voice in your head whispers, you don't belong here, just ignore it. The truth is, the only actual imposters are the ones claiming they've never researched how does async actually work. Well, I've done my part. Now if you would excuse me, I'd love to go back to figuring out why my async functions still have trust issues. It's gonna be a long night.